Okay, so right now we are having a severe thunderstorm. The rain is starting to come down really, really hard. There is some very loud thunder. I'm going to keep the iPad aimed up to the sky in case a good lightning bolt comes. Because there is some good possibilities that might happen. And if there is some good lightning, I want to get it on camera. So, I'm getting some rain on me right now. Because the wind is blowing the rain right towards me. We had a storm yesterday, but apparently we're having another one today. Heavy rain. Rain's coming down. I was inside the house and I heard thunder. There's some more lightning. I don't know if you saw that or not. Wow. The porch is getting really freaking wet. Oh my God. Was that a lightning bolt? Maybe I just saw something. I saw something, I don't know what it was. Look at that rain. That is pretty crazy. That is some pretty damn heavy ass rain right here. It's windy too. That's why there's rain all over the porch. See this? Crazy. Oh my God. The rain's blowing on me some more. I am wet. I really am wet out here. This is an intense thunderstorm right here. Very heavy rain. Lightning and thunder and strong winds making the rain get on the porch makes me all wet. Rain falling off that house over there. This is not the time to be in the swimming pool. And this is not the time to be walking your dog. Or else you're going to get drenched and probably struck by lightning. I wouldn't recommend it. The rain's coming down real hard. There's water everywhere. thunder and lightning is kind of going away though. I don't see that much lightning anymore. But the thunder and lightning, at the beginning of the video, there was some lightning and thunder, but now it's all going away. I'm still getting rain on me. The rain's coming down really hard. This is crazy. Hopefully it's not going to be like this tomorrow, because I'm going to see my friend Colin tomorrow and it can't be raining like this. Look at the porch. Look at the porch. Look how wet that is. Look at all the rain. Look at all the rain coming down. Wow. Look at all this water. Wow. It's like around 4 p.m. right now. I noticed it was dark outside, so that's what a thunderstorm brings. Whoa, that was some good lightning. I was not expecting that. Holy crap. I thought the lightning was going away. I guess not. So maybe it's probably coming over this way. Wow. We haven't really had any thunderstorms either, but we had one yesterday, and we're having another one today. That's pretty amazing. It kind of feels nice to have a storm where I can finally record a thunderstorm video. I recorded one yesterday when I was at my friend Colin, and now I'm home today, so I'm recording one here. So, stupid-ass people in their damn loud-ass car engines. They're trying to show themselves off. I can't stand that. Look at this heavy rain. Look at that. Look at all that water there. I think I'm pretty sure I got that lightning strike on camera. I hope I did. But the rain is coming down really hard though, I'll tell you that. This is an intense storm here. Especially with being how wet the porch is, because the strong wind just makes all the rain come on the porch. Yeah, this is intense, for sure. Sorry if it's a little shaky. A little bit more thunder just now. You can probably hear it. Look at all that freaking water. I swear to God, this is... Look at all this water here. Tell me this is not intense. Even the end of this cable here, see that? It's all wet. This rain is definitely coming down really hard. The wind is what makes it come here. And because it's raining really hard. Probably why. This rain is not stopping. You haven't had rain in a long time, and all of a sudden we get rain. These past few days it's been raining. And just before all the rain came, we were in a drought. Not gonna lie, it did feel nice to not have rain, but to have a thunderstorm coming now, that actually feels pretty nice. Because I get a good video of it. But there's a little bit more lightning just now. I don't think you saw it. Maybe you did, I don't know. There's the thunder. My hands are killing me because I'm holding this iPad for so long. Look at that gutter. All that water coming out of the gutter. That's crazy. That's the neighbor's gutter. All that water's coming out of there. I remember at the old house, we would have severe thunderstorms. I would always sit on the porch and watch them. Good memories. It's not done raining yet. Colin was saying, oh, well, maybe we're going to have another severe thunderstorm tomorrow. And he is definitely right. He is so correct on that. This storm I may not have gotten a heck of a lot of good lightning strikes, but I think I got something, and I think that's good enough. But the rain in this storm is definitely pretty damn intense, let me tell you that. The reason why there's water on the porch, number one, because the wind kind of blew the rain, and because the rain is so hard and so heavy and powerful that it just pushed it all over the porch. So that's part of why. And these damn neighbors next door here, they brought their garbage back because they knew it came, but they're assuming that the recycling didn't come yet. But garbage and recycling came like almost at the same time this morning. You probably saw my weekly garbage and weekly recycling videos I made earlier this morning. And the recycling guy, apparently, he forgot to pick up one of the recycling bins for some reason. I don't know why he did that. Because that was pretty crazy. People are driving by, they're making splash puddles on the roads here. That's what happens when you have a lot of rain. Yeah, all the plants and trees definitely need this rain. Even the grass needs it, you know? But at the same time, I don't like having rain. Just had a voice crack, I'm sorry. There's some more thunder there. At the same time, I don't like having rain because it ruins my day and I can't go out without getting wet, you know? Even though the plants, the sun, the trees, well, the sun, even though the grass and everything needs it, I still think it sucks that we have rain, you know? That's just me. But I got a good thunderstorm video and that's definitely perfect. The storm is slowly ending. The rain is starting to end. It's still raining, but not exactly as bad. It's kind of slowing down a tiny bit. It was freaking pouring during this video. The rain was like pouring to beat the band, you know? Pretty sure we've all heard that expression before. But yeah, this is a thunderstorm. Hopefully we'll have plenty more this summer. We had one yesterday, we're having one now, we had one just now. I'm hoping that we're going to have lots more of these thunderstorms during the summer. Because I want to get some more good thunderstorm videos during the summer. I don't want to have to end it with just 2 thunderstorm videos, so I'm hoping that we're going to have a couple more storms like this during the summertime. And if so, that'll be awesome. This is kind of the aftermath now. The storm is like coming to an end. It's still raining, but it's not raining as heavy as it was just a couple minutes ago. The rain is slowing down. The lightning's pretty much almost gone. Maybe there is some thunder still around here, but I don't hear anything right now. But yeah, this is the thunderstorm video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll do some more of these if we have some more storms. So yeah, just stay tuned. Be sure to have a fantastic day. And I'll talk to you guys later. Remember, when you have storms like this, you don't want to be outside when these storms happen. You're not making a smart choice by doing stuff like that, you know? The best thing to do when storms like this come, stay indoors. Don't go outside. storm's over now. I think it's just the rain now. But this is pretty much the ending of it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a really intense, severe thunderstorm. Again, I hope that I will be able to do more of these during the summer. If so, stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you enjoyed the thunderstorm video I made yesterday. If you've seen it. If you have not seen it, then please go check it out. It's a really good video. I was at Colin's house for it yesterday. We were in his weather shed. But this thunderstorm video, I'm at home on my porch. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.